Any mention?
Yes.
Item number 1.
Am I audible, my lord, sir?
Yes, you're mentioning?
This is a PIL, my lord.
Mr. Euban, I think you're somebody wrong bench.
It's in the second review.
Oh, I'm sorry, my lord. This is, I'm
Yes.
sorry, my lord.
Yes. Yes. Where's the state? Or state or...
My
Yes.
lord, I'm praying if this matter will be taken up on Wednesday, my lord. Mr. Paul is not here today, my lord.
We will, you want to file objection?
My lord, we will file an objection.
file it
Short
by today?
objection, my lord.
Because what you've seen is that, you see, there's some urgency. That's the only reason. And if, certain court orders are creating some difficulty, we just have to,
My lord.
it's with your assistance, of course, how to even it out.
My lord.
Right? You'll file by today.
My lord, by tomorrow, my lord, we will file. First,
by
we fix
tomorrow
it on
then?
Wednesday, my lord.
Yes, Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday is 24th. Yes, then MS Ardatta will praise that he will have to put in a small reply to the misapplication file for modification of the order dated 9/4/2025 passed by this court. Stop. Praise allowed objection to be filed in the course of today or by tomorrow latest. Matter comes fix item on Wednesday.
What else? Replacement.
Item number 2.
My lord, similar draft for item number 2.
Why?
My lord.
There's a delay.
Delay, my lord, delay of 10
Then?
days. My lord, we have to serve a copy also, my lord. We have not.
You issue serve them a copy. Who's paying for the side?
My lord, we have served to the cantonment. Private respondents are there, my lord.
So they have standing counsel.
My lord, we have already served to the cantonment.
Only serve them.
My lord.
Yes, heard MS Ardatta, learned counsel for the appellant. Appellant, right?
My lord.
Yes, sir. This is an application for condonation of delay of
10 days.
10 days in preference and appeal. Stop. Heard MS Ardatta. That notice issued upon the respondents within 3 days. Yes, just after 1 week.
Right.
You're permitted to, because 10 days will come on, you're permitted to,
Take.
yes, petitioner or applicant gain liberty of effecting notice by way of personal service. Yes.
Any mention?
It please your lordships, I beg to move a mention memo for listing of an urgent motion matter tomorrow, my lords. Because the excise department is seeking to implement a computerized system for the purpose of tracking the sale and movement of liquor bottles across the supply chain, that is from the manufacturer through the central bonded warehouse till the retail suppliers. The cost of this implementation is sought to be recovered from the retail suppliers. We are aggrieved with that, my lords.
Meaning, the son is to implement
Computerized software, it's called the integrated excise management system. They'll
what will
create
be the
new
impact on the
holograms
consumers, on
and
the
they'll have QR codes, my lord.
what will be the impact?
The impact will be, we have a profit margin of 20% per bottle. Now this is going to reduce that substantially, my lord.
By how much?
Probably by another 5%. Tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow this bench won't be there.
The cause list is
Oh, yes,
shows
yes,
your
yes,
lordship's
yes.
bench is there. It's highly obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Item number 1.
My lords,
Yes, Mr. Yuvan.
my lords, this is a public interest litigations. This has been filed, my lord, in a backdrop of the strike call by some taxi associations, my lord, and resultantly this will create a large movement of publics and difficulties to the general public, my lord, and also loss of tourism and loss of livelihood. And my lord has seen the repercussion the other day, what happened in Jorabad, my lord. None of the Meghalaya vehicles were able to, facing a lots of difficulties, my lord. So as of now, the situation is this, my lord. The deputy commissioner has called for a meeting, my lord, and then temporarily the association who has called the strike has called off, my lord. And so as of now, my lord, I will just pray for issuance of a notice, my lord.
Yes, RK General.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Anything to say?
Notice, my lord.
Yes.
No, my lord. Now strike has been suspended, but Your Lordship may entertain this PIL so that.
There's a festering problem. Yes, because this anyway. Yes, heard Mr. P. Yuvan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, issue notice. Ms. RK General together with
My lord, we are for respondent number 1, 2 and 3.
only present for respondent 1, 2, 3. No further notice on these respondents. Notice to go to respondent number 4 within 3
my
days.
lord.
Just after.
My lord.
Just after
My lord. This after 2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks. Yes. For the order.
My lord. My lord. Obliged, lordship.
Item number 2.
May please, Your Lordship, this is a through this writ petition.
Have you served notice on income tax?
Yes, my lord, we have.
Where are they? Are they aware this posted today?
They are aware. I have spoken with the senior standing counsel in Guwahati, and he said that he'll be instructing a junior to remain.
We don't see them here. Yes.
My lord, my lord, through this writ petition, we have challenged the notice dated 23/6/2025, issued under Section 148 of the Income Tax Act 1961. The notice is Annexure 6, my lord, at page 52.
What is wrong with the notice?
My lord, I'll mention. My lord,
Page 46.
page 52.
52.
Page 52 is the notice.
Yes.
My lord, the sole issue involved here is
Yes.
that in terms of section
I think is this annexure 6 2 pages or 1?
notice is one page, my lord, page 56.
52.
Page,
In my brother's
sorry,
copy-
my lord,
in my
page
brother's copy-
50, Page 52, my lord. I'm sorry.
For this copy something else.
It is marked annexure 6, there is nothing. It's just from paragraph 8.
Yes. The annexure 6 it starts from annexure from paragraph 8 some. See that page 52?
My lord, here probably there is a mistake in numbering. It's page 51.
Oh, you've done it. Yes, it's something's wrong. Is the
Yes,
other page has come?
pagination, my lord.
Not pagination. The attachment of the annexure is not correct.
My lord, my lord.
This one should come in
Page 51.
Okay. Yes, please. You
Page
correct
51,
it.
my lord.
You kindly get it. Yes.
My lord, the sort issue involved is that in terms of section 151 capital A of the Income Tax Act and the consequent scheme for e-assessment, e-assessment of income escaping assessment scheme, my lord, a notice under section 148 is required to be issued in a faceless manner. And this notice has been issued by the jurisdictional assessing officer under his name and under his signature, my lord. I will just take your lordships through section 151 capital A, my lord.
Have you given the scheme?
Yes, yes, yeah, we have given the scheme also. Page 21 is section 151A, my lord.
Page 21A.
Page 21.
Yes. Yes.
Section 150A, my lord.
Yes.
I'll just read section 150A. The central, the heading is faceless assessment of income escaping assessment. Subsection 1, the central government may make a scheme by notification in the official gazette for the purpose of assessment, reassessment or recomputation under section 147 or issuance of notice under section 148 or conducting inquiries or issuance of so-called notice or passing of order under section 148A or sanction for issue of such notice under section 151 so as to impart greater efficiency, transparency and accountability. A. Eliminating the interface between the income tax authority and the assessee or any other person to the extent technologically feasible. This is the main object, my lord, to eliminate the interface between the assessing officer. B. Optimizing utilization of the resources through economies of scale and function, etc. C. Introducing a team-based assessment, reassessment, recomputation, issuance or sanction of notice, etc., my lord. Then subsection 2 says, the central government may, for the purpose of giving effect to the scheme made under subsection 1, by notification in official gazette, direct that any of the provisions of this act shall not apply or shall apply with such exceptions, modifications and adaptations as may be specified in the notification. Now, provided no direction shall be issued after 31st day of March 2022. The scheme was issued on 22nd March, my lord.
Yes.
29th March.
Says that in the issuance of this one file is not faceless, is totally in violation of the scheme. That is your case.
Yes, my lord. That is my. And the scheme is also there, my lord. The scheme lays down that I'll just take 1 minute, my lord.
Yes.
Page 22.
Yes.
Page 22, para 16.
Yes.
E-assessment of income escaping assessment scheme 2022.
Yes.
Notification number so and so. Now, short title and commencement. This scheme may be called the E-Assessment of Income Escaping Assessment Scheme 2022. It shall come into force. Then, my lord, definition: in this scheme, unless the context otherwise requires, Act means the Income Tax Act. Automated allocation means an algorithm for randomized allocation of cases by using suitable technological tools, including artificial intelligence and machine learning, with a view to optimize use of resources. Words and expression used in this herein and not defined but defined in the Act shall have the meaning respectively assigned there. Then, my lord, they have said scope of the scheme. For the purpose of the scheme, assessment, reassessment, recomputation under section so and so, issuance of notice under section 148 has to be in faceless manner, shall be through automated allocation in accordance with the risk management strategy formulated by the board as referred to in section 148 of the Act for issuance of notice, and in a faceless manner to the extent provided in section 144B. My lord, my submission is that this notice has been issued totally in breach of section 151A of the Income Tax Act. My lord, my prayer is that this notice may be issued.
Yes.
And
when do you want it? Because you ensure the presence of the heard your Mr. Sorry, your name? You are?
I'm Ramesh Goenka.
Mr. Ramesh Goenka, Senate Counsel for the petition along with so and so. Issue notice do submitted by the Senate Counsel that notice has been served upon the respondents. No appearance made on behalf today. Stop. Because it may list it on
After 6 weeks, my lord.
after we'll be put up admission hearing that disposal of the next day.
My lord,
Yes.
miscellaneous petition is also there.
Just after 6 weeks, yes.
And
There's a missed case.
we have prayed for
You prayed for interim orders?
interim order, my lord.
List after 6 weeks for the orders, yes. Missed case number 249 of 2025. Heard Mr. So on in this application for praying for stay of operation of the notice under subsection 1 of section 148 of the Income Tax Act 1961 for the assessment year 2019-20 to the relevant financial year 2018-19. It was issued on
It was issued on 23rd June
23
25.
3rd June 2025. Stop. Learned Counsel submits that the main grievance of the writ petitioner is that the notice under section 148 is contrary to the provisions of section 151A of the Act that has laid down a mandatory requirement which is to be strictly adhered to for issuance of notice under section 148 of the contravention. It is submitted due to the fact that the 151A and the scheme frame that under provides for faceless, it's called faceless, the correct
Faceless manner, my lord.
it's the correct word is a faceless manner.
Faceless manner.
The 140 notice is under the seal and signature of the jurisdictional officer.
Yes, my lord.
So we therefore praise that he prays that an interim order may be passed in view of this violation as alleged. This one consideration of the submissions made by that counsel and also on the submissions made by on the and also on submissions of the council and other materials which have been placed. Notes that 151A has stipulated for a scheme for the purpose of assessment, the assessment recomputation, and the scheme at section 2B definition is also the scope of the scheme thereof has provided that notice under section 148 should be in a faceless manner to the extent provided in section in a faceless manner. In the concrete view of this court, therefore, at this prima facie case has been made out for interim order at this stage, and accordingly, the interim order dated so and so shall be stayed until the next date. Next paragraph, as this order has been passed ex parte, then the respondents, they are given the liberty to seek modification, alteration, application.
Obliged, my
Yes, according with the main case on so and so.
Item number 3.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, the conducting council.
That's the case.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the conducting council was not able to be present today, Your Lordship, because the renowned singer from Assam, they are not able to come here, Lordship.
Okay. So when do you want it?
Maybe listed on Thursday, Your Lordship.
This is a GST matter.
Your Lordship.
Yes. Prayer has been on behalf of the arguing counsel, who's not present for 22% difficulty, just on Thursday.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 4.
My lord, report was to be filed by the District Council Affairs Department. They have not yet
What
filed.
report?
By order dated 27, my lord.
27/6.
27/6.
27/6. The last order 23/7.
27/6/2025, my lord. Direction was given to the state, my lord, to file one report.
No. It's not customary. Yes.
My lord, mainly we are agreed by an order, my lord.
No, what report do we file?
My lord,
They are supposed to.
Yes.
My lord, this order says, my lord, on the returnable date, the District Council Affairs Department shall file a report in this court pertaining to issuance of or its views on issuance of scheduled tribe certificate to.
What does the council department have to do with interpreting law?
My lord, because we have
You
challenged
pointed out to the bench that time. What rules the council have?
my lord, because we have challenged the.
And they can even then.
Yes.
Is it the person that has authored the act?
No, my lord,
Then-
they do not have any role.
The
My
role of
lord,
the state is what in the council matter?
my lord, as far
The
as
only thing is that they act like a post office, like with this legislation, it goes for the concurrence of the governor, and if there are any queries from the governor, from then it goes back.
yes.
But if they are not to, it's file report, issuance of views.
Mostly, my lord, we are agreed by an order of the. My lord,
It's already been passed. What is this? It's
What?
challenging what?
my lord, 21st May
It's
2024.
challenging the Khasi Custom Social Custom Lineage I-97.
My lord, and also the order dated, my lord, 21st May 2024.
Issued by the state.
Yes, page 129. By this they have withdrawn the, my lord,
One.
page number. My lord, may kindly come to page number 128 first, my lord. Here, my lord. Social,
28.
yeah,
128.
page number 128. Here, my lord, there was earlier by the Social Welfare Department, my lord, they have already given a clarification.
Inviting reference to take action and advice that whatever we will follow. What is this? 21st July.
21st July, it says, my lord, this is a clarification, so it was given, my lord. It says, my lord, it may be stated that the Lineage Act 1997 does not prohibit the issuance of ST certificate to the applicant adopting surname of either from the father or mother, and the practice of adopting husband's surname by the non-Khasi wife was also allowed. Next page, my lord, 129.
Yeah.
In inviting reference to the subject quoted above and as per the minutes of the meeting held on such and such.
Was this 21st July issued in interpretation of the Act?
Yes, my lord, because there was some
Does the
objections.
Act allow this?
There was no prohibition.
Allowed C. Now what it says is that the further visit Lineage Act 9 does not prohibit issuance of SC certificates. Applicant adopting surnames either from the father, mother, and the practice adopting husband's surname by non-Khasi was also allowed.
Now, my
It's
lord,
allowed by the Act or not?
yes, there was no prohibitions by the Act, my lord.
Then?
Now, my lord, as far as page number 129 is concerned, my lord, may kindly have a look at it. The earlier order, my lord, it was withdrawn by this order, my lord. It says, in inviting a reference to the subject quoted above, as per the minutes of the meeting held on so-and-so under chairmanship of the Honorable Minister, Social Welfare, the department do hereby withdraw, revoke the letter number so-and-so, dated 21st/7/2020 with immediate effect. Because of this withdrawal, my lord, now they are not issuing the scheduled tribe
one thing,
certificate.
Mr. Simkan, we just to be clear. Now, which provisions of the Act are offensive to your people? I mean, to your petitioners.
Now, here, my lord, if my lord would come to the Act, page number 59.
Where it prohibits? What are you saying prohibited?
Yes, it does not prohibit, my lord. Even the Social Welfare Department, that letter also, it makes it very clear. However, my lord, may kindly see page number 66.
Yeah.
Page number 66, my lord, section 11.
Yeah.
Effect of loss and deprivation of Khasi status. No person who had ceased to be a Khasi or who had lost or deemed to have lost or been deprived of Khasi status under section 10 of this Act shall, from the date of publication of his or her name in the order made under so-and-so of that section, have any right by inheritance or succession to any property, movable or immovable, which otherwise would have...
No. We're not concerned. You're saying about the,
yes, I'm
the
coming
granting
to it.
of a surname.
Right, I'm coming, my lord. Or immovable, which otherwise would have developed on him or his by Khasi custom or under any law in force applicable to a Khasi person, or be entitled to any privilege or concession which a Khasi person may be eligible as a member of the scheduled tribe. So, by this provision, they have made it such that they can take away the rights which has been guaranteed by the presidential order. Section 3 also, my lord, which is important. For the time being, my lord, if I can pray.
Yes.
For the time being, my lord, if I can pray, my lord, that the Deputy Commissioner's office, my lord, they may be given direction. They should be directed
that.
The
time being, we have to understand the problem.
Now, my lord,
we can't just give orders in the air without understanding
my lord, we kindly see
our own basis
10.
of passing the order.
Right, my lord.
Then,
section 10 also, my lord.
We want to know first how this act militates against the, the grant of shelter tax certificate.
Right.
And now, how do you say that, that the act does not permit what has been taken away, or what the social, it'll be immaterial.
My lord, may kindly come to the same page, page number 66 only, section 10.
I hope you frame the PIL in, in a way that's easy to understand. Otherwise, it is a bit difficult for us to understand what you really want.
My lord.
Yes.
My lord, section 10 of the same act, my lord, it says loss and deprivation of Khasi status. Notwithstanding anything contained in any law in force, a Khasi person shall cease or deemed to have ceased to be a Khasi, or shall lose or deemed to have lost or have been deprived of a Khasi status on or from such state as may be specified in the order made in his behalf by the registration authority, who voluntarily in writing or otherwise renounces or had renounced his or her Khasi status, failed or had failed or does not or did not comply with any of the requirement of or provisions under this act or the rules or orders made thereunder, does not observe or no longer observes or is no longer governed by the Khasi matrilineal system of lineage or Khasi laws of inheritance and succession consequently and kinship. Now my lord, here they have to follow the Khasi matrilineal system. Now if they do not follow, my lord, here the problem is those people who are following, who are giving the father's surname, my lord, they have been deprived of their scheduled tribe status, my lord. They have not been given the certificates, in spite of the fact that Social Welfare Department, my lord, earlier has made it very clear. And thereafter, my lord, because of this act, now they have withdrawn the earlier order passed by the Social Welfare Department.
What is your stand?
Lordship, this is your Lordship.
See, the thing, to our understanding, this act, like this council, is vested with the powers to regulate
Social customs.
and
Social
codify
custom,
social custom, right?
Lordship, yes.
And this act is in furtherance of those, that paragraph where they've been given paragraph 3, we've been given that, the legislative competence to enact such an act.
They can.
Now, how does this contradict the, the grant of a scheduled tribe certificate, which is given, recognition of scheduled tribes under the presidential proclamation?
In fact,
then how has that come out in a writ petition?
Yes, I have categorically mentioned, my lord, here that now because of this provision, they have this DC office, my lord, they are asking them to obtain the Khasi status certificate, my lord, from the district council, and to approach the core members and all, my lord. Now it has become very much difficult for some section of the people, my lord, to obtain those and comply with all those requirements, my lord.
Okay, yes, what do you have to say?
Lordship, kindly come to page 66, Lordship, section 10 of the original act.
Yes.
If Lordship kindly come to C.
Yes.
This is loss and deprivation of Khasi status. Does not Lordship 10 1C
Yes.
does not observe or no longer observe or is not or no longer governed by the Khasi matrimonial system of lineage or Khasi law of inheritance and succession, consanguinity and kinship or husband. So, Lordship, for a person to obtain a scheduled tribe certificate, your Lordship, one has to adopt the surname of a mother as per the provision of as per section 10 of the Act.
Was a judgment that was passed in
Lordship, that AS confide case, Lordship.
It's just a semi judgment. That's one regarding that if a person is considered tribal, he must
Lordship,
live the life of a tribal, be accepted by the society, then otherwise he'll not be considered a tribal.
Lordship, yes.
In fact, my lord, that's why the council also in 2000.
That means that you have to, it's not a question of you staying in America somewhere and then one fine day you already renounce everything. You're not, for practical purposes, you're not following middle system, or you observe not a personal law or personal law or something.
Yes. Now, my lord, here the question, another question that may come up, my lord.
2006, 2006. Done. By Justice Samara.
That's why, my lord, in 2024 also, the district council had amended the act. Now involving the clan also. Now it's okay for a person to say that because the father is non-tribal or a tribal, but the clan also has to accept that. Ultimately, it's the Kur. So that is the bigger issue.
No, but it touches social fabric.
Yes.
So it's a very touchy matter.
Yes.
I think. So what you are aspiring the petition is that no matter what, whether he can be A, B, C, D, is renouncing, but he is a Khasi still.
Yes, my lord, because now here the question is both mother and father both are Khasi, and the children offspring born of both Khasi parents only for the reason that they have adopted the
They have adopted a different system.
father's surname, they cannot be deprived of their scheduled tribe status. That is only the ground. And moreover, my lord, what has been given by the presidential
They
order.
can't be deprived, I think. But they can't be maybe.
Now, whether, my lord, they can take away the rights which has been granted by the presidential order by making an enactment, my lord, that is also one question that has to be considered. Whether district council can take away.
Do you file affidavits?
No.
Affidavit will be required, my lord.
Mr. Shulai, I think what exercise you have to do is you need an affidavit to the state. Well, that's your order which has been implemented. I thought that,
Lordship,
I don't know that the state is involved. That
Lordship, if Lordship kindly
what
come
the state
to.
has to look at is the contextual, you can say, between the act and the presidential proclamation of scheduled tribe, that order. You file affidavit.
Or if the state just cancel the order which has been impugned here, my lord, the matter can be.
It is very interesting. You need for the where they have ramifications.
Right, my lord.
Yes. Last order is.
Last order is.
Advocate General is not appearing here, or you are appearing?
Sir,
like today, Mr. N.D. Shulai. Yes, Mr. Advocate General, and together with N.D. Shulai for the state respondents, and Mr. T. Dingdo, Senior Counsel for respondent number 3. Pray for and allowed how much time?
Maybe 3 weeks. Maybe 3 weeks.
Allowed. The affidavits, yes.
Right.
Yes.
Please say whether your decision is influenced by the provision of this act or not. The grant of ST certificate by the state authority is influenced by the
Lordship, if we go to that order of 21st/7, your Lordship, where it says that it does not, the act does not prohibit, your Lordship. Lordship, in my.
You take a stand. You take
Lordship,
yes.
yes.
For you to take
Lordship, yes.
Let us see.
Lordship.
Because from what we see also, the act does not prohibit.
Does not prohibit.
The act regulates custom. It says who will be considered Khasi. Now you have renounced your maternal system, whether it be entitled under personal law.
That
it's not a separate, whether it entitled personal law to inherit.
Right.
Suppose you renounce everything.
Yes.
Right? I don't recognize this Khasi system of custodian of the Khaddo, so on and so forth, and you're on your own.
Yes.
But the issue, my lord, will be that.
But if the other issue is different, whether you can still be considered, a tribal.
That is.
Because, my lord, if you are not living in the customary ways, my lord, you may not have that kind of status. One judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in Sunita Kumari is there, my lord. We'll put it in our record.
Yes.
Apply, your Lord.
Apply.
Any mention?
Yes.
Lordship, 75, serial 75. I need some more time, Your Lordship.
75?
After Puji. Yeah,
What's the matter?
yeah. That emboss matter is promotion matter, Your Lordship.
Doctors, Esther
Yes.
Shangwan?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes,
I have
objection.
taken
We have an
consent from.
objection, Your Lordship. We have an objection, Your
To
Lordship.
the
But
adjournment.
today I have taken consent from them.
What consent?
Consent for taking
Consent
time.
means but she is objecting. We'll call it out.
After puja.
No, we'll call. She has objection to your adjournment. We'll call it out. But let the matter be taken up.
I oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes. Yes.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 74, Your Lordship.
Why again and again take adjournments in this matter?
For the respondent 5.
Yeah,
Your
objection.
Lordship. No, Your Lordship, no objection. There's an interim order, Your Lordship.
When do you
for
want it?
extension.
Tomorrow?
After puja vacation, Your Lordship.
We've been newly engaged, Lordship. This is from the Shillong Municipal Board.
I don't think it's newly. I think Mr. G has appeared twice.
Second time.
Okay, after puja vacations on the request of respondent number
3 and 4, Your Lordship. 3 and 4.
3 and 4 either has one. So interim order is when he will continue the next date. Yes. Yes.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, Lordship.
You can't wait. Let it be called out. Let it be called out. Let it be called out. Don't mention orders. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 70, Lordship.
Number 70
Lordship.
I have no objection, Lordship.
is the last word. Is your objection?
Lordship, but London Senior was not there. He was in
Is regarding demarcation?
Lordship.
Why you taking time again and again?
So sorry, Lordship. Today, Lordship, due to some emergency, he could not hand over the file, Lordship.
When? After 1 week or 1 week holidays. After puja.
After puja,
vacation.
Lordship.
Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 67 and 68. 67, Lordship, these are connected matters. I am for respondent 5, and 68 I am for the petitioner.
I'm for the state, my lord, in
Any
both the
questions?
matters. No objection.
Okay. Yes. After puja vacation. Yes.
Lordship, I also have a prayer for those trading license matters, Lordship. Lordship had directed us to take steps on the Dorbastrom and the CM ship. There's a typo.
Hearing list?
It's not today, Lordship. I wanted to list if it can list it tomorrow because there's a slight typographical error in the order. So we are unable to take steps, Lordship.
It's already there. Contempt case.
That is in the contempt, the miss case, Lordship, where Lordship had suo moto implemented the
when?
today or tomorrow, Lordship, just to clarify the respondent number.
The contempt matters have become infructuous because they have not challenged, they have sought for modification of the judgment and order passed by this court.
So if I may pray, Lordship, let the miss case where I have sought for modification be listed.
You give mention memo?
Yes, Lordship.
Have you prepared it?
Lordship, yes.
Yeah, you give
For
mention,
listing
yes.
tomorrow, Lordship.
We'll listen tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Lapsangria. What do you want?
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 71.
no objection, my lord. I for the respondent, my lord.
Can you have the matter after the puja vacations, Lordship?
Okay, yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Please, Lordship. I beg to mention item 72, Your Lordship. 72.
No objection, Lordship.
Yes, on the request. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
73? Yes,
Lordship,
Mr.
I
Deb.
beg to mention one unlisted item, Lordship. Lordship,
urgency?
that is, Lordship, contempt case. That contempt case is connected with the item number 57, Lordship.
Of today's list?
Yes, Lordship.
What contempt case?
Lordship, this is about return of the gold jewelry, Lordship, which is
we see in this matter.
Yes, Mr. Chadha.
This application is pending. It's a contempt petition, and the respondents have filed a review application which has been allowed partially only a sentence has been changed. There, instead of release of the gold, the lordships have passed an order to release the amount, the value of the gold up to 17 lakh of rupees. Only a slight modification in the order, but that too they have been given 2 weeks time, which is over. And
No, Mr. We don't understand. Now you say that you filed a review before the division bench.
No,
No, we need not. The respondents, my lord.
Where's the respondent?
Mr.
Where's Dr. Mozika?
That has been allowed.
Please, in the premises, Lordship. If your Lordship take this matter after some time, Lordship.
Yes. You file what you want to file. We'll see.
Lordship,
let the matter be called up. Yes.
I have already filed one contempt. So let this
file it. Then we'll have it tomorrow.
Lordship, let this both the matter may come tomorrow, Lordship. If it's
It may be connected with this.
No, well, when it comes up, we'll fix it tomorrow. Yes. Right.
Great.
Yes.
Item number 1.
What is this?
My lord, petitioners hearing, my lord, they are the veterinary doctor, my lord.
1 second. They are
veterinary doctor, my lord. They were
what's the problem?
Yes. Now, my lord, problem is they were working, my lord, as animal husbandry and veterinary officer under the animal husbandry and veterinary department on contractual basis. In the meantime, my lord, there was an advertisement, my lord, that was floated by the MPSC. That is at page number 35.
Yes.
Now here, my lord, the first serial number 1, this animal name of post is animal husbandry and veterinary officer. Total 51 number of posts were advertised, my lord. And if my lord will come to page number 39 of the said notification advertisement, my lord.
39.
If my lord can see 6.1.
Yes.
For post of animal husbandry and veterinary officer under the animal husbandry and veterinary department, the commission will adopt recruitment through direct interview as informed by department wide number so and so so and so. Now,
yes,
these people, my lord, these petitioners, they were working in the department on contractual basis.
How long?
For, my lord, 1-2 years, my lord, not for long. So the government wanted that, department wanted that their service should be retained. So they have requested the MPSC to conduct a personal interview so that their services.
Special interview or the general interview?
That is what, my lord.
Now, how many people were there already working on contractual basis?
Only the eight of them, my lord, they were working. And here, my lord, one of them is not before us. Only 7 is here.
7 over here.
Yes.
7 are here.
Yes.
So the thing is that supposed to be a special interview for them.
It was supposed to be, and they believed also to be special interview. Now, after the advertisement was floated, my lord, they have participated in the selection process, my lord, and the result was declared. The result is at page number 42, my lord.
They're on the list.
Yeah, none of them are in the list, my lord. In fact, they are the one who are toppers and gold medalists who are the petitioners here, my lord. None of them got selected. And when, my lord, we have gone through the service rule makes it very clear that these posts of animal husbandry and veterinary officer, my lord, this can be filled up by direct recruitment through written examination and interview, followed by interview. Whereas, as far as this recruitment process is concerned, it was done only through personal interview. And the questions, my lord, which are put also very, it was somehow not related to the subject. They were asked what is the pin code of Khanapara, then all those funny questions, my lord, whatever it may be. Now thereafter,
Funny
my lord,
questions meaning?
My lord,
what is the pin code Khanapara?
Pin code of Khanapara and some other questions, my lord. I have given some of the questions, my lord. It's there in the petition. Now here, after
Where
that,
is the listing? You say that that is your ground for challenge.
that is, my lord. My lord, may kindly see the synopsis also, my lord.
Where's the page?
Page number B. In the
Where you said the
synopsis,
questions are there? Where's the question?
B.
All
B.
of them, all 7, 8, same questions.
No, my lord, different questions, my lord. If my lord will come to synopsis B, here, my lord, on top first paragraph only, I have written some of the questions which were asked to them.
Who's the king of rock and roll? Easy questions.
Spelling of joy and all. All those questions were, my lord, very well answered, my lord. However, they were not selected, and thereafter, my lord, they have filed a appeal before the director, my lord. That is at page number 45.
No, first show where the rule is.
Yes.
Where you see
My lord, my lord.
it mandates that there should be a written examination.
Yes, my lord.
Which rule is it?
My lord, this is Animal Husbandry Veterinary Service Rule.
Which rule says recruitment? Where is that?
My lord, may kindly see rule number 7, method of recruitment. Rule number 7, clause 5, it says, appointment to any post in the grade 2 junior shall be made by direct recruitment on the examination/interview conducted by the commission.
So these are grade 2 junior.
Yes. And even 11 also, rule 11, examination interview for direct recruitment under sub-rule 5 of rule 7 shall be held at such interval as the appointing authority may, in consultation with the commissions from time to time, determine.
I can't, examination / interview.
Yes.
This is 11 and
11 clause 1.
Okay.
Yes. So thereafter, my lord, if my lord will see page number 47.
Yeah.
Even the director of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, my lord, wrote a letter to the secretary, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, and the relevant persons, my lord, I'll just read out. It says, in the light of the, it says, my lord, with reference to the above subject, I am to forward herewith appeal received from grievance candidate who appeared for the MPSC interview but were not recommended by the commission. As per the result declared by the MPSC, 51 candidates have been recommended in accordance with the number of posts advertised. In this regard, it may be noted that the anticipated vacancy up to December 2025 are 6, and in addition 2 clear vacancies arising from the recent retirement of officers, bringing the total number of vacancies to 8. The above mentioned posts are reserved for Animal Husbandry and Veterinary officer who are currently on deputation to Community and Rural Development Department and Wildlife and Forest. The officers on deputation may be reverted back to the department as and when vacancies arise. In the light of the above, Directorate request that these 8 vacant posts may kindly be filled from amongst the grievance candidates as per the list enclosed.
Who's appearing for the state?
I'm appearing on behalf of the state.
If the rules prescribe that, how can you have selection only by interview?
Your Lordship, as of now,
These are totally fresh candidates.
No, they are, yes, all general advertisement was made, inviting applications from everybody.
How can it be made in contravention of the rules? This under 309, right?
Yes.
Yes. The statutory rules.
So, Your Lordship, I may be allowed to take instructions, Your Lordship.
We'll have to stay the selection. When was it announced?
No,
once my lord, appointment
everybody has been
it will be
selected,
difficult.
and they have published the result also, Your Lordship.
My lord, that has to be, my lord. This is totally in contravention of the rule, my lord.
How can it be possible?
Then otherwise, let it come day after tomorrow, Your Lordship. We'll
Yes,
take
sir.
instructions in the meantime. MPSC is
You will
also
accept
there.
notice.
They are the ones who have conducted the interview and published the advertisement.
If my lord will see the last page, that is the MPSC's own order. Last page, that is page number 52.
Illegible, Your Lordship.
Page number 52.
Yes.
Here, my lord, it says, my lord, the relevant person, the practice of conducting interview only without a screening test written examinations has brought negative response from applicants across the state. Does the decision to put an end to this practice?
2017.
Yes.
2007. In any case, Your Lordship, they have participated in the selection procedure,
That
Your
is true,
Lordship.
my lord.
Now, Your Lordship, they are aggrieved by that, Your Lordship.
When the entire process is...
I can
Because-
understand if it is as per the rules, right? And then they cannot turn back and challenge it.
Challenge
saying
the-
that, once
No.
it's that. But in this case, it is, there is
Let us take instructions, Your Lordship.
How what instructions will you take? If
Just 2 days instructions will take. There is no.
Yes,
I filed
Mr.
miscase.
Simcon, learned counsel for the
MPSC will also have to reply to this.
MS T. Yangi B. Learned EAG with so and so is present on behalf of respondents number
1 and 2, Your Lordship.
1 and 2, and MSB of Karonlang accept notice on behalf of the respondent number 3.
Number 3, Your Lordship.
Yes, stop. The grievance of the writ petitioners is with regard to the conduct of a direct interview for filling up the post of Animal Husbandry Inventory Officer under the Animal Husbandry Inventory Department. Mr. N. Sincon submits that one thing will go against you is that you should have. Anyway, that'll come later. We will not are very hasty. Yes, Tom. This is one submits that the advertisement and the selection is in direct contravention. Selection by the Commission is in direct contravention of the
rules.
Meghalaya Animal Husbandry and Inventory Service Rule 2000, wherein at Rule 7.5 it is given that appointment to any post in the grade 2 junior shall be with direct recruitment on the. See, this is not clear whether examination slash interview.
I'm
finding it difficult to read.
On the basis of the examination slash interview conducted by the Commission.
On the result, the run seat anyway.
Yes.
On the result of the examination slash interview conducted by the Commission, submits that the method adopted by the MPSC has resulted in nepotism. And though the writ petitioners are eminently qualified, their names did not find place in the select list. But he prays in the interim some orders be passed to protect the interest of the writ petitioners. Next, for MST Yangi B. Leonard Senior Counsel on behalf of 102, prays is allowed to obtain instructions in this matter. So also MSB of Karonlang for the respondent number 3. Who they both pray for 2 days time to obtain necessary instructions. According this matter on Thursday. Today is Monday, Tuesday. On Thursday for.
In the meantime, no appointment shall be made. In the meantime, no appointment shall be made.
For
selection is already there.
Prayer. Yes. We will consider on Thursday. Let them come. But these rules just get a legible copy of the rules. But if the examination stroke interview, then
yes.
MS Yang, please get.
I'll get the instruction.
A clear copy of this rule.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Only one small prayer. Only one small prayer.
For interim interim prayer.
Only for the time being, if appointment is stayed. Otherwise, in case they give appointment, my lord, again it will create problem for us, my lord. For the time being, if the appointment can be held, my
Your
lord.
Lordship, this matter came. The result was only declared on the 28th of August, Your
Only till the
Lordship.
next date, my lord. Otherwise, it is totally in contravention.
The next day, status quo shall be maintained by the parties.
Item number 2.
Please, Lordship. I'm praying that this matter will be listed on Wednesday, Lordship. I'm praying that this matter will be listed on Wednesday. Mr. Paul is the leading counsel, Lordship.
You're there. What is the matter about?
It's a reconstitution of managing committee, Lordship.
So, what is the grievance?
This is the third round of litigation, Your Lordship. The first round, Your Lordship, had already passed the order directing the respondent number 5 to hold the elections and constitute the managing committee.
What happened?
Then they went to appeal against that order.
Yes.
Now the Honorable Chief Justice has directed that the department should take a call on that, and then again the respondent number 5 has held a general election and reconstitute the managing committee, which was approved by the government.
I'm praying that this interim prayer, Lordship. This interim prayer, Lordship. So
what interim prayer now?
For stay of that impugn order, Lordship.
That managing committee has already been approved, Your Lordship. The
Lordship,
school
I'm
is
praying
running
release it
on-
on Wednesday, Lordship. Any council.
Okay, list after 1 week on the prayer of this night time.
And they who
Oh,
we
1
do
week,
not
1 week, yes, this on Wednesday.
Friday.
Friday, Your Lordship.
Friday. Due to the absence of the arguing senior counsel, I'll list this matter on Friday. Motion.
Item number 3.
Yes. And again, the witness. You examine the records.
Examine, Your Lordship.
Then
there is I wanted to place before you, before the honorable court, sir.
Yes.
The appellant, Srimati Tenol B. Sangma, is the wife of Sri Genang Mara.
What's the appeal about?
Appeal it is that the court, three court, village court, subordinate district council court, and also district council court pass an order to divide, that means all the property of the wife. They had a quarrel, they always fight, and the husband used to harass the wife. Then he had an agreement, there is a commotion and fighting all the time in the village. And on 26/9/2002, the husband already signed an agreement, declaration that if he commit problem again, he will leave the house at his own will. It can be seen at page 35.
How is the appeal maintainable? Is against three
Now-
concurrent pending?
Yes. Now the point is, Your Lordship.
It can't be a Mrs. Appeal second also. There's a third appeal.
Third appeal.
Third appeal permissible.
There is point, but
Don't
there
go
is
to the
no.
facts yet whether your appeal is maintainable or not.
From the district council court, it is.
If you file under what? Under order?
Order of the jurisdiction of the High Court over district council court.
One second. Yes. You found 3 and 4.
Yes, sir.
3 and 6.
3 and 6.
3 and 6.
Yes.
So what should we do?
There is a question of facts and law here, sir. Your Honor.
Even if we have to apply the general principles also.
Yes. This case is giving all the property to the husband, and the wife is left with nothing. Even ancestral property also has been given to the husband. Husband is a drunkard, and he used to torture the wife.
Let us see the last order. That is order of the Mr. Sama.
Yeah.
Page
27.
Page
27.
27. This is page 29. Lordship.
29.
Yes.
27 is
Subordinate district council court.
Then 29. One second.
May I read, Your Lordship? They upheld this subordinate court order.
Okay, then.
According to custom, Your Lordship, the man should not have property when he is unmarried, belong to the mother, except self-acquired property.
So they dismissed your case purely on technicality?
Yes.
On merits, my lord.
On merits?
On merits.
Only on custom, Your Lordship. And this custom is bad in law if all the thing given to the husband.
But how is the appeal maintainable?
And
third appeal
again, the
unheard of.
customary law.
Even apply the spirit of the CPC. Yes, Mr. Nombi.
If at all, they'll have to file an SLP, my lord.
Yes.
It is a bad in law.
No, bad in law, but how can a court entertain words if you take the spirit also?
According customary law.
No, see, Mr. Sama, you're not arguing, forget customary law.
Yeah.
You're arguing as a third appeal. Now, first village court said against you. Your appeal, subordinate council court went against you.
Yes.
And judge council went against you. Now this is the third appeal. First
Third
appeal, you lost, second appeal, now third appeal. How can we entertain a third appeal? Show me one case where it's entertained third appeal.
Give me some more time.
How to give some more time? Or you have to go to, you have to jump this court and go to a higher court where they can take up any matter. Show a case where under this order 3 of the jurisdiction of the Court's order or 6, and that such matters been taken up. If we apply the spirit, I think as per Amnesty rules, as per the Amnesty Justice rules, then what will happen? We can't.
But the whole thing, Your Lordship, this order of 3 subordinate court is not according to customary law. And there is no.
Mr. You please prepare also.
Yes.
On the legal counsel for the appellant also pray that there is some more time be given in the matter. List after 2 weeks for anything hearing.
Deeply.
Highly up.
Please come.
Item number 4.
Matter, Lordship. Lordship, today, due to some difficulty, Lordship may kindly adjourn this matter. There's some personal difficulty today, Lordship.
My Lord, I have no objection to the personal difficulty, ground of personal difficulty.
What about out of court settlement?
My Lord, there was no such proposal, my Lord. Statutory orders passed by CRC, my Lord, and my friend has sought time on 3 occasions on this ground also, my Lord. But since Dr. Saraf is having
When, Mr. Saikya?
difficulty, Lordship may have it.
Lordship, after Puja, Diwali break, Lordship, after 24th of October, Lordship, any day.
Yes, on the prayer, Mr. S.A. Saikya, the counsel petitioner, due to unavailability of the arguing senior counsel, lists his matter in the first week of November 8th.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 5.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? This is a matter, my lord, where we are challenging the DP.
DP was there, my lord, for 6 years, my lord. They have not concluded DP. So they have filed an affidavit on the merit of the case. My lord, I need to file a small rejoinder. We filed today.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. S. the counsel of the petitioner submits that he has just received copy of the affidavit by the respondent. Says submit, he just received copy. Pre-response allowed how much time?
2 weeks.
2 weeks time to file the joinder. Just thereafter and so on.
Hello.
Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship. Item number 6.
On the last occasion, my learned friend vehemently contested the maintainability of this writ petition. So, my lord, to avoid any kind of my lord, technical objections, at this stage, my lord, I can withdraw and with liberty to file a fresh, my lord, just to avoid any kind of technical issues. My lord.
Yeah, the film we submit an instruction that he be allowed to withdraw this petition. Will liberty to file a fresh.
I have no objections.
Oh, according submission, that's accordingly, there is also withdrawal, however, liberty is prayed.
7.
Okay. Witnesses are there today?
Yes, Your Lordship.
How many?
Two, Your Lordship. 2.
How long will you take?
Depends, Your Lordship.
Depends on what?
Mr. Pandey, Your Lordship.
Where's Mr. Pandey?
He's here, Your Lordship.
We'll take it about 2 o'clock. But we won't give you more than 2. That means we'll give you, because we have other engagements. We'll give you, you tell Mr. Pandey, he has to conclude cross-examination within. They are your witnesses, correct?
Lordship.
Who's cross-examining? You are doing cross-examination.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You're doing it.
No, the counsels are here, Your Lordship, from Manipur.
We'll give you 45 minutes. Yes.
Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 8.
How many? 2? 8-2. 8-2, come on. 8-2, how much?
50 should be 8 to 50. It may be taken up tomorrow along with the miss case.
8 to 50, yes. This tomorrow.
Published.
On the prayer of Mr. S. Deb.
Much
51.
Yes. It's for hearing.
This is that matter, my lord, where they were supposed to take steps in terms of the inquiry report that they filed. My lord, on the last day, your lordship had taken an exception to the fact that they had initiated second inquiry based on the earlier inquiry without seeking leave of this honorable
Yes,
court.
Mr. Shulai.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, what happened, your lordship? We file an affidavit bringing into the notice of this honorable court, your lordship. There.
Well, 15. But if you split by 1 month, it's now not right. You, where's the election matter? Mr. Pandey. Yes, you see the board. I mean, we can finish it by. We'll be ready by by 1:45 if it's Yes. Yes.
We placed the inquiry, your lordship, and lordship, what happened, your lordship? That report of inquiry was examined by the directorate, your lordship, and we find it that certain aspect of the matter need to be re-examined.
You didn't take leave of the court for re-inquiry.
Lordship, in fact, lordship, the lordship has given us the permission to take a call on the inquiry, your lordship.
Shall take many steps to initiate for action term inquiry report.
Lordship.
As expeditiously as possible, yes.
So we have examined, your lordship, and we found that certain aspect, your lordship, needs to be clarified. And accordingly, your lordship, a two-member special committee had been constituted, your lordship, and the report also have been furnished by them, your lordship. Only my humble prayer, your lordship, if lordship permit us, we'll take a call on both inquiry, your lordship, by passing on a recent order, your lordship.
You take down then by order dated 8/5/2025. the court had noted the submission of inquiry report with regard to complaints against the managing committee, members of Rajabala Haggersley School, which had been submitted by the state respondents, and had further directed that the state respondents were to take immediate steps to initiate appropriate action in terms of inquiry report as expeditiously as possible. Thereafter, on 28/5/2025, a communication when the matter was taken up next, a communication dated 13/5/2025 produced by the state respondents showing that steps had been taken and that pursuant to inquiry report with regard to complaints, further to inquiry report further further action was to be taken with regard to complaints against a member of the management committee. Stop. However, on 1/8/2025, the state respondents represented by Mr. N.D. Shulailan, AAG, then submitted that the respondents were to conduct a thorough scrutiny into the affairs of the Rajabala Managing Committee, and that the inquiry was to be conducted, and on its recommendations, the state respondent was to take appropriate action. Stop. Stop. Next one, Ms. S. Thapa, on those submissions that raised certain objections with regard to the initiation of second inquiry without leave of the court. But however, on examination of the orders, it appears that the same was, the court just was apprised about the further action that was to be taken by the respondents. What inquiry is over now?
Lordship, yes. Only we, Lordship will permit us.
Submits that the further inquiries has been completed.
Lordship.
And he says that you allowed that, and he submits that the respondents will take action strictly in accordance with the findings therein. Have you got a copy?
No.
This is matter, though the submissions of Mr. Shulai are noted. However, let a copy of the second inquiry be furnished for this court on the next date. Yes. When?
If Lordship permit us, will pass.
Now only.
I will pass the order. Will pass the order, Your Lordship, and will inform Your Lordship accordingly.
No, you first see inquiry report.
Lordship, then yes.
After 1 week.
After a week, Your Lordship.
There's another objection, which I wanted to take, Malad.
No, your objection has been, you don't have any role to play. We only see what action.
No, Malad, here the second inquiry, Malad, the member who has been chosen as Malad, to preside over the inquiry, Malad, he himself is in one way indicted in the earlier report. Now he is like sitting on his own case.
Petition, yes. Just after 2 weeks.
Highly apply, Your Lordship.
All right. Same order, Malad. Second matter is same.
Second matter.
Same, Your Lordship. Sorry.
53.
We please, Your Lordship.
File.
In this matter, Your Lordship, we have received the instructions. But however, Lordship, some of the annexes which were annexed in the petition, it was not legible.
That's not the concern of the court. You are Mr. Guru, Mr. Abba.
Yes.
Please allow further one kind of affidavit. None appears for the petition in this out 1 week.
All right.
54. 54.
Same.
53 and 54 are connected, Lord.
55.
Your Lordship, the affidavit is already filed. We've already given a copy.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for 4 weeks time.
To do what?
Rejoinder, Your Lordship.
4 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Give you 3 weeks, yes, maximum.
Roger.
Yes, MS Ibla, please don't allowed 3 weeks time to file rejoinder.
Yes,
The
Your
report
Lordship.
shall continue. Yes, the next day.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
56.
Well, it will require some more time to file objection because to the delay application, my lord, because in the grounds raised in the delay application, he has touched upon merits. That is a document of 2026 or 1926, my lord. And he says that he tried to apply for it, but it's non-existent. While we do have a certified
Anyway,
copy.
okay.
my lord.
You, what about Mr. Marak?
I'm ready for 2 weeks time.
For number 4?
Yes, Lordship.
Respondents. And what about the district council respondents?
123, we're not filing any objection.
Yes, Mr. Economy for 5 to 7 and so on so for 4. Therefore, now further 3 weeks time to file objections to the review application. Yes, there are.
Authorised, Lordship.
57.
Yes. Mr. Chata, the council petitioner, prays that he may be allowed to file a business application or a fresh contempt application.
We have already
No, we've already filed that, and I think it's going to come up for tomorrow. And I
Yes.
request that this matter may be listed together.
Yes, place the matter will listed tomorrow. Together would officially file this application.
Contempt petition.
Contempt application. Prayer allowed.
Grateful, brother. Grateful, brother.
58.
Lordship, in this matter, I have similar prayer that may be listed on Wednesday, Lordship.
Where?
Will be listed on Wednesday, Lordship. Senior council is at available.
Where senior council?
Saro station, Lord. Wednesday or Friday, Lordship.
What's the instructions, Mr. Pandey?
Well, it's I have a copy of.
Special bidders, the only bidders.
Well, as far as one of the categories are concerned, there were more than one bidder. There were 2 bidders, and
When do you want it?
Lordship, Wednesday or Friday, Lordship.
because the only issue is that the contracts have already been executed.
Doesn't matter. They should have been here today. So I will matter. Yes, Mr. Pete Saitang prays medicine Wednesday due to the unavailability of the arguing senior council.
59.
May it please your Lordship.
Getting right.
Lordship, in the miss case, we need some more time to file the reply, your Lordship.
File a miscase, Lordship, for preservation of CCTV footage.
Miscase is a miscase. Miscase number, ne?
This miss case number.
No, that's first miscase.
That was.
Mr. Anishulai submits that he prays for further 2 weeks time to file
Reply, your Lordship.
reply to the miscase filed by the red petitioner in the name. Just raise allowed list after 2 weeks. A miscase for same order as the main case.
Apply, your Lordship.
Main order sheet ajo in the miscase of ajo.
60.
Yes.
Regarding the benefit of clerical trade, my lord, otherwise this is a covered case, my lord. The division of bench of this honorable court has already been decided, my lord.
Where's the affidavit? He just wants to put an affidavit on record before we.
But I'm paying for a week's time, my lord.
1 week's time.
10 days time, my lord.
2 weeks time, yes. You put affidavit, otherwise you'll close it.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord.
On the
DPL lords.
Mr. Dr. Mosier, please follow for the 2 weeks time to file affidavit, yes.
My lord.
61.
61.
Lordships, I'm appearing for the state. On the last occasion, Mr. Jha had sought time to file rejoinder.
Where's the Jha today? None appears for the petitioner. Just after pre-application.
Grateful, Your Honor.
Yes.
62.
My lord, it can be disposed of, lordship. Why I am saying, lordship, this is a case of disability pension, lordship, because he is.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, because the state has already, my lord, kindly see the state affidavit at page 3, lordship. The paragraph 8 and 11.
She wants me information. Lordship, there's some mistake in my affidavit. I made the changes. I'll be filing it on court with you, Lordship.
The accountant general.
I already served the
I thought that yes, but because I have received the copies, lordship.
MSE Prasad submits that due to some defects, the applicant we have respondent number
5.
5 could not be filed. She pays matter will be listed after 3 days. Just after 3 days, yes.
Much.
63.
But please, lordship, in this matter, I have received all the benefit, but only the gratuity, that is only 3,40,000 that rupees is remaining, because they have admitted.
Yes, where's the affidavit?
Though I received instructions, my lord, but some clarification will be required, my lord. So I'll pay for a little more time.
The fresh matter?
Fresh matter, my lord.
Fresh. Let's have a 2 weeks for affidavit by the respondent, yes.
Obliged,
64.
Could you please, lordship, the respondents are yet to file their affidavit, lordship.
We require some
land
time.
acquisition matter, lordship.
Require some time, my lord. 2 weeks time, my lord. We'll file.
2 weeks further time as period allowed for affidavit by state respondents.
Obliged.
65.
May I please, your lordship? I've received the parawise command, your lordship. I need 3 weeks time to file the reply, your lordship.
What's the matter about?
This is regarding
Pension, your lordship.
pensionary benefits. Two wives are there, your
State
lordship.
respondents. What
State-
private respondent?
We have already taken steps, your lordship. We are waiting
Private
service of
respondents
report, your
there.
lordship.
Yes, I officially reports that office note indicates that notice not complete 105 stuff. Like para MSS Brachaji prays for
3 weeks time have been granted, your lordship.
prays for 3 weeks time to file affidavit. Prayers allowed. This after 3 weeks for affidavit and for appearance for service report on respond number
5, your lordship. Very obliged.
Much obliged.
Hearing 66.
Lordship, as per the last order of this honorable court, we are waiting for the clarification from the UGC. UGC has to clarify.
Where's UGC?
Your lordship, she informed me that she won't be able to come today due to some personal difficulties.
Because of the mourning in Assam?
Maybe.
Okay, this after puja. None appears for UGC respondents. This the court apprised that the said counsel could not appear due to personal difficulty. This is the matter after
puja
vacations expected on next date that UGC would come up with specific instructions.
Obliged.
69.
May I please, Your Lordship? In this case, we are newly engaged in this case, so we need some time to go through the brief. The matter is
You
for
are
hearing.
Mr.
MK Boro, my lord.
MK Bora?
Boro.
Barua.
Boro, B-O-R-O, my lord.
Mr. MK Boro, Narrative Counsel for the petition submits that he just been engaged. Prayer for allowed 3 weeks time to prepare the matter. Yes, of the 3 weeks.
Can it be on 27th of October, my lord?
You take the date like court master.
Deeply. Well, highly obliged.
73.
It's a Nokmaship matter. We actually had a prayer for adjournment, Lordship. Could not.
What happened?
I beg to.
Actually, you had prayer now. You're ready to do the matter.
No, we missed it in the morning half, Lordship. I missed. some difficulty from our side, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I pray that interim may be continued, Your Lordship.
Yes, of 3 interim order on the prayer Mr. S. there
For 1, 2 and 3.
There's a matter of 3 weeks interim order initial.
Until further orders. Published.
75.
Yes. Where's one objection? MS Ibla. What objection do you have?
Your Lordship, the conducting counsel, Mr. Sen, is coming, Your Lordship.
Come from where?
Premises, Your Lordship.
What objection does he have?
Your Lordship informed me that there's some urgency in this matter.
What objection? But where is he?
He's in the premises, Your Lordship.
Though objections have, though urgent been sought by respondent number?
Respondent number, yeah, for me 9 and 10.
For 1 and 10, the same was objected to by MS Ibla on grounds of urgency. However, the matter has been called out, the arguing counsel is not present. This is matter after 3 days. Take your chances.
Oblige you.
You call the election. You call election, then we'll prepare the witness. We'll take it up now.
After puja, Your Lordship. After puja.
Okay, after puja, a puja bonus for Mr. Sangma.
Yes. Thank you.
Your Lordship, may be fixed as a fixed matter.
You should have been here to argue the matter. Yes.
Hello, Your Lordship.
Item number 7.